What we have here is the handy 18-volt light. It is light garden tiller. Gardening should be fun and enjoyable. And when you've got a light duty machine like this to do those chores, really does make gardening a pleasure. The 19cm digging width really is so useful on all the garden areas, flowers, vegetables, etc. Digging those areas that are hard to do any other way. This tiller really does make it very, very easy. The 18-volt battery fitted to the handle. Look how neat and easy, just locking in there. We have a safety switch system. Press the green button, pull the trigger, and away you go. To stop the machine, just release it. And our upper handle is adjustable for your comfort. Adjust it to just the position you want for comfort and ease of use. To make the machine transportable, loosen this center knob here, take the machine apart, and it folds nice and easy to go in the car boot. Right, we're going to go to work with the machine now. The alternative is the hard way. Don't want that. Just look how simple and easy this is. Digging those areas as they become available to you really is just so easy and a pleasure. As I say, that is what gardening should be, a pleasure. With cordless machines, are you afraid that they're not going to last? You're going to take it down to the allotment and you're going to run out of power? My trials, I've tried this 40 minutes continuous use with one charge of the battery. Under 2 hours recharge, but that 40 minutes is a lot of work on digging, so don't be afraid of the cordless. Another great job for our 18-volt cordless tiller is when you harvest your veg, and look how we're doing this year. It's brilliant, really good crops, but get that harvested and look, goodness me, what you can do in that bit of garden. And then we can then rotivate that area. What we're doing here is immediately digging that area that we've cropped from, and look how simple and easy the job is. Our 18-volt handy cordless really is quite a small machine, but that is perfect for doing in between the shrubs in the flower bed. Again, making the job so easy and just loosening that ground, making sure we get the moisture into the ground. Really, we can maneuver that so well. Perfect for those jobs that really are back-breaking in any other way.